Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Penpot. Figma is a leading cloud-based design and prototyping tool, widely adopted by design professionals for its robust features. Penpot, on the other hand, is an open-source design and prototyping platform, offering a self-hostable option for greater control. Both tools facilitate collaborative design workflows for user interfaces and experiences, but they cater to slightly different needs. This comparison will help you decide which tool best suits your design requirements. Figma excels with its real-time, browser-based collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit simultaneously, making it perfect for large teams. Penpot also offers robust collaboration features, including commenting and shared access, with the added benefit of self-hosting for enhanced privacy. Figma provides extensive plugin support and a vast community resource for enhanced functionality, while Penpot integrates well with other open-source tools and prioritizes web standards like SVG. Figma is known for its smooth performance and accessibility across various operating systems through its web application, ensuring a consistent experience. Penpot, being open source, offers greater flexibility in terms of installation and customization on different platforms, appealing to those who prefer more control. Figma's pricing model is subscription-based, with free tiers for basic use, whereas Penpot is entirely free and open source, making it a cost-effective solution for many. Figma is ideal for large teams and agencies requiring extensive third-party integrations and a polished ecosystem, offering a comprehensive solution. Penpot is a strong choice for privacy-conscious users, open-source advocates, and those needing self-hosting capabilities for maximum data control. Consider your team size, budget, and specific project requirements when making your decision. Both tools are powerful, but their strengths lie in different areas, catering to diverse design environments and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.